Hello, I'm Micks Mowers and Mower Man, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I've got a little review for you from, this has been sent to me by Kingbolen. They've sent me a battery analyzer tester, mainly for cars. But the reason I asked for this, and they sent it to me, is because also I do electric start lawnmowers, and sometimes the batteries on electric start lawnmowers need to be tested. So that's the exact reason why I got this one. This will tell you the health of the battery and all that sort of good stuff. So I've got a couple of batteries in here. We'll test them and then see what they're like, and then maybe go on to a car, have a look on those, what my van is looking like, and go from there. So this is a free product given to me for nothing. There'll be links in the description and in the comment section where you can pick these up. And hopefully, if you want your battery tested because you think it might be a bit dicky, whether it be a lawn driver, rider, or your car or vehicle, this could be it. It says going down to a shop to go and get drop tested. You can do it yourself from your home. So there you go. If this is the first time you're watching Micks Mowers and Mower Man, hit your subscribe button and whack the old bell. Set notifications to all. That way you'll be told next time I upload another video. So without further ado, let's get down and dirty. Let's check out this Kingbolen battery analyzer testing device. Right, so out the front on my old driveway, got my Micks Mowers van, bonnet open, and I've got a little tiny battery here. This is a diesel in here. This is the Iveco engine, I believe. The Eco Tech one. So here's my battery, and it's a cold cranking amp 650 on here. So let's hook this one up. Negative, negative, positive, positive. Let's try that. On there, so it's lit straight up, and it says it's already found. Let me zoom you in. It says it's already found a battery. Let's have a look here. Let me zoom you in so you can see what's going on. So it says it's already found a battery, and it's identified it as 12 volts. It's flashing there. I'll try and get it zoomed in. It's flashing at 12 volts. Let me take the screen protector off of here because it might read it even better. That's better. All right. So yeah, it's got it's reading it's 12 volts because it's flashing. You see that? So we're going to push OK on the old display down here. We'll push OK. Let me zoom it out a smidge. Okay, so we're going to push OK. Cold cranking amps it's asking for now. So CCA, cold cranking amps, push up to 650. So on your up and down arrows, I've got the 650. There you go, push OK. So it's testing, it's doing an analysis now. Okay, so it actually says that the battery is good in the bottom left-hand corner. That's good, so I'm happy with that. So that's good. Let's now go up and down on the displays. It's pushing out 12.6 volts, which is fantastic. It's also got 5.08 ohms. State of condition, SOC is state of charge, 98% state of charge. That's really good. I've had this van about 7 years, and the health, state of health, SOH up there, it says 62, so it's about halfway in its lifespan. That's not bad for 7 years worth of battery. That's good. So there you go. It's a simple little battery tester that you can just chuck on to test your own battery. So it says going to Halfords, and you know, sometimes you people test a battery, you think, oh my God, yeah, is it actually gone or not? They might say it is, you don't believe them, I don't know, but get one of these bits of kit, you do it yourself. So the cold cranking amp, you just put that in. It should be 650, it's coming in at 511, that's not too bad. It is a little bit low, but it's still saying the battery is good, so I'm happy with that. And as I say, it's pushing out 12.6 volts. It's got 5.08 ohms, 98% in state of charge. I haven't long been out in this. I was out in a little bit earlier on today. And also it's 62% state of health on the battery, so yeah, super happy with that. Quick little easy test to do on your battery. If you think your battery is starting to play up or something like that, you can test your own. So there you go, quick little test on this Kingbolen battery state of health analyzing machine. You can use it on your car batteries, lawnmower batteries, or your ride-on lawnmowers, or your Atco Bauer Morals, anything with electric start, use it on those. As long as you know what the cold cranking amps are, that way you can then put the right information in. That's all the information it requires is a cold cranking amp, which is under CCA. And then it will then tell you the state of health, SOH, state of charge, SOC. It'll tell you how many ohms are pumping out on it, and it'll tell you what it's actually charged at, as in regards to sort of 12.6, 12.9, whatever it is. And it'll tell you if the battery is good or bad. So fantastic. The only one thing it does require, this battery here, I tried to test it earlier on, this battery is absolutely dead. There's nothing in it at all, and not even enough charge to power this device on. So I might just throw this onto my charger, see if I can't put a bit of charge into it, see what will happen, and then if I can do that, I then can see what the battery's doing, because I believe this battery to be absolutely knackered. But this one's good, that's showing 98% good to go, because it's a brand spanking new battery, and this one also is dead. So a little tiny Kingbolen battery analyzer could get you out the old muck. If your battery is playing up, especially in the cold, whack that device on it. It'll tell you in 2 or 3 minutes. You can order a battery ahead of it, just in case you see winter coming. You can order a battery straight away if your battery is on its way out. Quick little device like that could save your life. So super cool. So all the links to these will be found in the description and the pinned comment section down below. So go and check them out. Hit the old link and go and buy yourself a little tiny product just like that from Kingbolen. So there you go. Hope that helps. If I saw a video of Micks Mowers and Mower, hit the subscribe button and whack the old bell. Set notifications to all. That way you'll be told next time I upload another video. I look forward to seeing this episode of Micks Mowers very soon. But until then, guys and girls, much more importantly, take her easy.